The Supreme Court heard Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's petition challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. The hearing is set to continue as well. The High Court had, remember, earlier upheld Kejriwal's arrest in the money laundering case, saying that there was no illegality about it and that the Enforcement Directorate was left with little option after Kejriwal had skipped repeated summons. But Arvind Kejriwal told the top court that his arrest was indeed illegal and that it went against democracy. I'm being joined by my colleague Ishika with more details. Ishika, take us to what we can expect from the hearing over Arvind Kejriwal's application calling his arrest illegal. We saw that yesterday as well. He maintained that the arrest was illegal and it went against the High Court order that was issued on the 9th of April.
Well, yes, Aarti, as you rightly pointed out, yesterday in the court, we did see how Arvind Kejriwal's counsel in the court said that the arrest is, in fact, completely illegal. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel also went on to say, went on to question yet again as to what was the reason for arresting Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, they question as to what were the materials and, that ED has on the basis of which they arrested him. Because certainly, basis on these statements, the Arvind Kejriwal counsel again questioned the Enforcement Directorate, saying that only one person, only one witness had named Arvind Kejriwal. So based on that statement, why was there a need of, arresting Arvind Kejriwal? Now, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel also said in the court that just because he did not, in fact, go for the summons does not give right to the Enforcement Directorate to arrest him. Arvind Kejriwal's counsel informed the court saying that, it is his right. Whether to go or not to go does not mean that the Enforcement Directorate will arrest him in the in this case. Now, certainly, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel again goes on to say that they have some more arguments that they want to put forth, for their case, and thus, the matter was adjourned yesterday. Today, the matter will resume, and after that, certainly, we are expecting that Supreme Court will be, in fact, pronouncing the order. Over to you.